Hi, audience. My name is James Lincoln. Today, we are going to talk about metal arc welding in construction and shipbuilding industries. As we all know, metal arc welding is the most popular welding in the world. It is the most popular welding among other weldings because of its versatility and its popularity. Besides metal arc welding, we have different types of welding. One, we have metallic inert arc gas welding, tungsten inert arc gas welding, oxyacetylene welding, and aluminum welding, copper and alloys, zinc and alloys welding processes. But zinc, copper, aluminum, and their alloys have different processes, or there are different processes to engage in all those type of weldings. I selected the metal arc welding because of its popularity. One, it can be done at anywhere and everywhere, whether in the enclosement or in plain areas. But unlike other welding processes like TIG, MIG, and other things, it has to be in it. Okay, coming back to shipbuilding, metal arc welding is the most common use in shipbuilding because according to Caleb U. Bogler shipbuilding article of 2014 entitled Investigation on Welding Emission Estimation in Shipyard for Different Ship Types, we must know that shipbuilding is one of the oldest, heaviest industries in the world. And in order to join steel plates appropriately, welding is the common method during production processes. It is used approximately every process during ship production. Furthermore, when we come to construction industry, Coniglo N. Linton and Campbell 2010 article on coating composition, weld perimeter, and consumable condition effects on weld metal composition in shielded metal arc welding asserted that pipeline construction has been moving towards the use of higher strength, low carbon steel as they become available in order to achieve the required high strength toughness by the use of metal arc welding to match those of the parent metal. Great weld has to rely mostly on those compositions. That article was written by Coniglo and the associates. For example, when we come to construction industry, the year 2007, we all heard of the collapse of Minnesota I-35W bridge on Mississippi River. And the collapse caused a lot of lives and a lot of people got hurt. Some are permanent and some, have been released from hospitals. According to the investigative team that assessed the collapse of the Minnesota IW bridge, was lack of low carbon steel plates and lack of low carbon steel pipes during the construction period at the time that the first bridge was constructed. So when they made all these investigations and they came out with their findings, then they wrote for public to know that any bridge that was constructed over 50 years in Minnesota has to be reconstructed. So, one, to know that you are using the effective material for construction or for building industry, one, we must know the type of material being used. Two, we have to know the composition of the material being used. 3, we have to know the type of metal electrode, that is according electrode, that is going to be applied in the welding process. Because if the actual electrode does not conform with the parent metal, there's a tendency of carbon, or there's a tendency of oxygen getting entrapped with the molten metal. And when oxygen, attacks a metal, a molten metal, there are we can see that there are some particles of holes in it, and those particles are called distortion, and distortion always has the effect of breaking. So as we know, and we try to build a ship, or we try to build any construction, we have to apply by the rules and regulations laid out according to the type of work we are doing and the type of material to be used. By so doing, I think, and we think, collectively, we shall achieve the required desire, and there will be safety on our roads. God bless you, and bye.